Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I got another Guess What's in the Box video. It's a pretty large box. I got it from Amazon. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody. Alright, so this is another Guess What's in the Box video. This is a large Amazon box. This also is another item that I did post previously on Instagram. By the time this video probably posts to the channel, it'll probably be another 100 things I have posted to Instagram. Who knows, maybe I don't post anything in the next 4 months to Instagram. But this is an electronic. I got it from Amazon. It is made by DJI Electronics. This box is, and those are the only hits you're getting, you know, gotta make it kind of fair, you know. If I tell you everything, then there's no guessing. But this box is 14 inches and 1/4 of an inch wide. It is 18.5 inches long, and it is 6 3/8 inches tall. It's a pretty large box. What do you guys think is in the box? You know, not going to be a long video. Just another trying to entertain, kind of fun, you know, let's all guess together. A couple of the guys on the channel have actually guessed correctly. They're like, on the last one for today, it's gotta be some kind of impact or something. And one guy stated a right angle impact. Ooh, so close. It was an actual impact though. But, you know, I can't give you guys anything that off the top of my head, you know, like if you get it right, you get a t-shirt or something. I don't have any merch. But it is just for fun, you know. This is a pretty large box, as you can see. We will take this apart in another video. Check out what's inside. And for the price, I'll probably list the link for this item. You know, for the price, it's actually pretty nice. But that's it for the rest of this video. Please go like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate you guys watching. Thank you guys so much for sticking around. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates if you guys want to see what's in this box, or you guys want to see up and coming videos. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links. Amazon. My Acme Tools affiliate links, my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links, which is something that's in this box, is DJI Electronics. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me today, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!